Hey guys, welcome back to Decorating with Barbara. As you can tell by the title, I will not be doing the living room tour today, but I will be participating in a collaboration with a bunch of talented ladies. And this collaboration will be hosted by Trevina from TMB Designs. And so I will list her channel in the description box below, as well as the playlist of the group of ladies who will be participating. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. Okay guys, so I have this garland that I picked up from Walmart, and it is very pretty and sparkly. It has lots of little pumpkins and berries on it. It has some gold leaves, and it has this burlap leaf. So I thought it was a very pretty garland, but it's a little too earthy. So I'm gonna take it outside and give it a little hit of gold and silver spray paint, and then I will be back. So here is the garland after I spray painted it gold, in addition to a Dollar Tree garland. I also have a lift in the center for the center pumpkin. Okay, so next I'm layering in some of the larger pumpkins. So next I have a few small ones that I'm just going to fill in the gaps. I have these smaller ones from Z Gallery. And next I have these gold ones that I spray painted with the same gold as the leaves. Okay, so next I will be filling in smaller pumpkins and gourds wherever I see a little gap or an opening. Okay, so now it's time to set the table. And I will be using these chargers and salad plates from Home Goods. I have just some regular ivory dinner plates. I have these napkin rings that I got from thrifting. And then I got these little square pumpkins from the Dollar Tree. I also will be using napkins that I got from Pier 1. And then these placemats I DIY'd a couple years ago, and I did a challenge with Wani's house. She hosted a challenge, and I DIY'd these using a Dollar Tree placemat. I just traced out the placemat and then outlined the entire placemat with jewels that I got from Hobby Lobby. And so one is a leaf, or two. I have two that are a leaf, and then I have two pumpkins. Now when I put the place setting on them, it will cover up the center part, but I still like that there's a little bit of the edge that will show. And if I didn't mention, the bowls are from the Goodwill. Okay, so this water goblet is from Pier 1, and I got it, I believe, last year, and it was on clearance. I got it for $1.19. Now they do have this goblet, or they did last year, regular price for $9.99. And then I'll be using this water glass, and it came from Hobby Lobby, and it was also 90% off, and I believe I got it somewhere around $1 or so. So in the end, I decided to remove a few of the smaller pumpkins and add a little bit of candlelight. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching, and please don't forget to click on the playlist and check out the other participants. You will not be disappointed. Bye-bye.